Well, it's the 9th of February. Right here in the rain. Let's stop for a minute. I got one right down there. I was pretty sure that's one. Looks like a Dalton. Looks like a Dalton. Watch out, it gets a little deep, so take your time.
Oh, I see what you're talking about.
That looks like something right there. Yeah, flip that around a little bit. Be careful, watch where it goes. No, alright. I think this is one.
Yeah.
Hey Seth, you want to hold that for me?
The white?
You see the white?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Heck yes.
I don't even sure what that is. It almost looks like a Dalton.
Wash it off.
You're my boss. Yeah. It's not a Dalton. I don't know what it is. Maybe a rice lobe. Another side nut with rice lobe. Whatever.
What's Hayden got over there?
Plate.
That's sweet.
Is it looking good on the camera?
Yeah.
Alright, well, thanks for watching. And if we find anything else, we'll definitely turn it back on. We got plenty of eyeballs, that's for sure. There's your start. Let's keep going. If anything but that, Hayden.